everyone, welcome to New Bear. In today's video we're going to look at a technique known as the daisy picot. The daisy picot is different to normal picots because the actual picot is made with double stitches, not your bare thread. You're going to need 2 shuttles for this technique, preferably with 2 colours just because it makes it so much easier to see what's happening. So the daisy picot usually comes after another element like a chain or a ring. So for today I've started just by making a chain. I have shuttle 1 and shuttle 2. So we're going to drop shuttle 2 over the back of our hand and using shuttle 1, which is the core thread from our chain, we're going to wrap our hand for a ring and make 2 double stitches. Pull that first stitch right up against the chain. Sit shuttle 1 down and go back to shuttle 2. We're going to continue making double stitches using the core thread from shuttle 1, but we're not flipping our stitch. So we make the first half of the stitch and pull it straight down. Make the second half, don't flip it, pull it straight down. Continue like this for as many stitches as you need. Might do 10 for this one. Now you might notice that our stitches are facing inwards, but don't stress, they're meant to be like that at this point. When we drop shuttle 2 over the back of our hand, our stitches will twist around and face the right way. Pick up shuttle 1 and we're back to making normal stitches. Make the first half of the double stitch, make sure it flips and pull it down so that it sits right up against the first lot of stitches in our ring. Secure it with the second half, and that turns a second lot of stitches into an arc and gives us our picot. Make another double stitch, go back to shuttle 2 and start our second lot of unflipped stitches. Pop shuttle 2 over the back and it will twist your stitches around. Now something that I like to do when I've finished my unflipped stitches is to snug them ever so slightly. I didn't snug the first picot because I want to show you the difference. I just find I get much nicer shape and look to my picot if I snug it before I continue to make the arc. But you do need to be careful if you're going to snug your picot. Don't make your stitches too tight. You don't want a lot of pressure on your core thread. So back to shuttle 1 to start our flipped stitches again. Bring the first half in nice and close. Second half. You want these stitches to sit right on top of the core thread. If you don't have them sitting nice and close, you're going to end up with a gap here and it will look like your picot has pulled away from your ring. So repeat this process until you have as many picots as you need. When we're done with making our picots, we finish out our ring with the 2 flipped double stitches and close our ring. You can see these are the picots that I have gently snugged on the way around. and that was the first one that we didn't snug. And that's it. See you next time.